Hi guys, it's a special vlog today as we celebrate Tayan's second birthday. So as much as we wanted to go travel or go on a holiday, saon taman, we need to face the financial constraints of a middle class family. So we just focused on the practical and important, making the celebrant happy. So first off, we head to Tayan's Suki, the Cebu Cathedral, for Thanksgiving for having such a wonderful year.
Careful, careful. Butang dali. Here. Oh. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. In the name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Money. Babay na kandong.
Our next stop was in Legazpi Street in Cebu for his birthday gift number 1. So choosing this birthday gift was really very easy. We just realized na every time mga dumig mall, asa man may pirmi maglalis ug maghinilakay si Tayan, only at the bicycle section.
No, what's this?
So, here is Tayan looking for his bike while it was being prepared. And as you see, very osusero kayo ning bataan. Dili siya tantong excited.
Ayaw pa ba? Oh, fix pa ang bike. Oh, yay!
So of course, he cannot really wait for his first ride. But before we go riding, don't forget to subscribe and also give your birthday greetings in the comments below. As it is time to give this bike a proper ride, here we are at Cebu's busiest afternoon and evening destination, Il Corso. Gail and I are really happy that Tayan is having so much fun with his bike. Though dili pa kayo siya makatindak, we are sure na hopefully hangtod pa ni 3 or 4 years old. O diba, practical tayo. By the way, here's one tip. If you want to go to Il Corso, go on a full moon. Why? Check these photos.
Bago ka wake up? Oo. Let's atihan na. Balik.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! God bless!
Fish na yan, G. Night fish na everywhere. Hadlok. Ang piso.
Nami. Happy birthday, Tayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tayan. Yay! Ablo na ka, excited. Excited kayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Mata Tayan, uy. Ito. Yay!
Sige, padol na to. Padol na.
Yaman.
Blow, blow.
Blow. City na siguro.
Tita, give daddy cake. Give daddy cake.
Nice kid din. Flower.
Ay, hala.
Like I said in the beginning of this vlog, praktikalay ang show. So after the delicious lunch with the whole family, we only went to Ayala, Cebu. So the birthday boy can enjoy playing and bonding with his cousins.
Oh, okay na. Oh, white hand. Kuya, sakitan mo kuya. Ano mo short? Din? Para na bata taglayan ron. Magisi.
Okay na lang, easy.
Okay, likod.
And sa kadugay na nako sa Cebu, nakauna pa in town si Tayan sa ako na muligid sa Ayala Terraces.
Let's go!
Ato ko pera.
And wala pa ta na human. Birthday gift number 2. Yay! What's this? Hi, Tayan!
But last hear it, we prepared also another surprise to Super Tayan. Tada! His very own kiddie pool.
Oh, now my snacks.
Before we end the vlog, here's some special greetings from Ate Miming, Papap, and Mama Gail.
So, naa si Miming. Masa may message ni mo Miming kay birthday boy, birthday Tayan. Sa message si Miming. Oh, bitaw. Oo, Jud. Kunya. Okay, say happy birthday Tayan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Oh, kiss na papa.
Kiss Papa.
Bilap, papa. Tayan. For the last almost 3 years that you arrived to us. You changed our lives, anak. You let us see the things that we did not expect that we can do. You overstretched our patience. Tayan, come here. No? And then, you let us feel what unconditional love is. And muna siya, thank you for all the changes that you brought to us ever since the day that you came to us.
Okay, kiss Mama anak. Kiss Mama.
Overstretched patience.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, please hit like and the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment your birthday greetings to Tayan. Daghang salamat! Please enjoy our other vlogs as well. And see you in our next adventure of Super Tayan ang Batang Lagan.
Okay.
Tayan, how old are you?
1, 2, 3, 5,
5.
2, 3, go.
Oo. Sige, you'll learn na to tindak ka na later on.